Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we have our new product, a detection and jamming integrated system for low altitude security. It combines long-range detection, localization, identification, and jamming, suitable for critical area and security events. The system has two parts, detection unit and jamming unit. For detection, we have two parts. Part A weighs 17 kilos and Part B weighs 9 kilos. For jamming unit, weighs 25 kilos. The whole system is IP66 rated, so it works fine from -40 to 65 degrees Celsius. The detection range is from 3 kilometers to 5 kilometers in city environment and up to 18 kilometers in open area. The direction finding accuracy is within 3 degrees. And the localization is down to 5 meters. This is the product specifications. So whether it's border, critical area, or a petrochemical plant, this is your all-in-one solution. From detection to takedown, we've got you covered. For more information, just reach out to us.